Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply the word by word tilt animations to the video captions in CapCut Mobile. So here, you just need to prepare your video and then just click on the text and use the auto captions to generate the caption of your video, and make sure that the language source and also the sound source are right. After that, just click on generate and wait for CapCut to finish generating the captions. Okay, so after the captions are generated, just click on one of the caption and here go to the animations, click on the captions tab, then just find the word by word tilt animation. So scroll down. Okay, this one's right here, click on that. You can see the caption will go like that, and click on the check icon, but please make sure that you check this circle to make the animation apply to all of the caption. So the caption will go like this. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.